Today, I am reviewing the MXL FIT Bounce PRO Bungee Rebounder. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to finding a home workout that perfectly balances intense cardiovascular conditioning, muscle toning, and pure entertainment, very few exercises can compete with rebounding. But if you have ever used a cheap, old-school mini trampoline with rigid metal springs, you know the downsides all too well. They can squeak loudly with every single jump, and worse, the harsh, jarring impact can take a serious toll on your ankles, knees, and lower back. That is exactly why fitness enthusiasts and holistic health advocates have been shifting toward premium bungee-based systems. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at a top-tier contender in this space, the MXL FIT Bounce PRO Bungee Rebounder by MaXimus Life. Boasting a massive 400-pound weight capacity, a silent low-impact bounce, and a highly convenient half-folding design, this 40-inch mini trampoline claims to be the ultimate professional-grade fitness tool for adults. Let us break down the details to see if it truly lives up to the hype. First and foremost, let us talk about the star of the show, the bungee propulsion system. Unlike standard trampolines that rely on steel springs, the FIT Bounce PRO features a premium, mega-strong bungee setup that utilizes an incredible 60 individual connectors. To put that into perspective, that is nearly twice as many connectors as you will find on standard, entry-level rebounders. This dense configuration is crucial because it distributes your weight evenly across the entire jumping mat, creating an exceptionally smooth, deep, and gentle bounce. Because the deceleration at the bottom of the bounce is so controlled, the impact on your joints is virtually non-existent. This makes it an absolute dream for anyone undergoing physical rehabilitation, individuals recovering from joint injuries, or seniors looking for a safe way to stay active. Beyond the orthopedic benefits, this gentle bouncing motion is highly praised by health experts for stimulating the lymphatic system, which aids in cellular detoxification, boosts natural immune function, and improves posture and core stability. Best of all, the bungee system is completely silent. You can do an intense workout at 6 o'clock in the morning right next to a bedroom, or watch your favorite television show without any loud, distracting squeaking noises. Next, let us discuss the impressive physical engineering, stability, and safety of this rebounder. The frame is constructed from high-grade, heavy-duty industrial steel, allowing it to support an industry-leading weight limit of up to 400 pounds. This high capacity speaks volumes about the overall durability and structural integrity of the machine. The trampoline itself measures 40 inches in diameter, providing an ample, secure jumping surface while remaining compact enough to fit comfortably into a living room, bedroom, or home office. For individuals who are working on their balance or undergoing physical rehab, MaXimus Life also offers an optional adjustable stability handlebar that can be attached to the frame, giving you an extra layer of physical security while you build up your lower body strength. Another massive selling point of the FIT Bounce PRO is its smart, user-friendly storage design. Many heavy-duty fitness trampolines are a permanent fixture in a room because they are incredibly difficult to take apart. However, this model features a brilliant half-folding design paired with robust, spring-loaded folding steel legs. The unit arrives at your door fully assembled, meaning you do not have to struggle with dangerous bungee tension tools during unboxing. When you are finished with your daily workout, you can quickly fold the legs flat and collapse the frame in half, allowing you to slide it under a bed or tuck it away inside a closet. It also comes complete with a high-quality, durable carry bag, making it fully portable for personal trainers, mobile fitness instructors, or anyone who wants to take their workout routine on a road trip. Plus, because the product is fully supported with spare parts readily available, you have long-term peace of mind that your investment will last for years to come. Finally, MaXimus Life ensures that you stay motivated and structurally guided throughout your fitness journey. They include a dedicated beginner workout DVD right in the box, alongside lifetime online access to an expansive digital library featuring over 100 home workout routines. These video sessions are guided by certified fitness experts and cover everything from low-intensity cellular health bounces and core conditioning to high-intensity interval training and fat-burning workouts. It completely removes the guesswork, ensuring that whether you are a total fitness novice or an elite athlete, you have a safe, structured, and engaging path to follow. To wrap things up, the MXL FIT Bounce PRO Bungee Rebounder is a masterclass in home fitness design. By merging an ultra-durable 400-pound capacity steel frame with a silent, ultra-low-impact 60-connector bungee system, MaXimus Life has created an exercise tool that is incredibly safe on your joints, highly effective for full-body conditioning, and genuinely fun to use. It easily earns a top-tier 5-star rating and is an outstanding, health-first investment for any modern home.